This award was instituted in the memory of Padma Vibhushan Srimati Janki Devi Bajaj. May I now call upon Dr. Mariamma Varghese, Chairperson of the Selection Committee for the Award for the Development and Welfare of Women and Children, to kindly read the citation in honor of Srimati Nigat Shafi.
I am privileged and glad to read the citation for Srimati Nigat Shafi, who is the recipient of the Jamnalal Bajaj Award 2012 for outstanding contribution in the field of development and welfare of women and children. At a time when hardly any woman would have liked to step out for fear of life, Srimati Nigat Shafi stepped out of her comfort to help the children and women in Srinagar. To provide a helping hand to the ones affected by the violence in the strife-torn valley, Srimati Shafi instituted HELP, that is Human Effort for Love and Peace Foundation, in 1997. Srimati Shafi, chairperson of the foundation, runs an orphanage, Shehjar, which is an abode for 30 boys and comprises women's empowerment, computer and health center, along with drug de-addiction facility. The Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation feels honored to present this citation and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for the outstanding contribution in the field of development and welfare of women and children to Srimati Nigat Shafi.
It is indeed a proud moment for me, having been bestowed with the prestigious award for social work by the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation. It is a matter of great privilege to receive this award at the hands of a person who belongs to a family known for integrity and honesty and is all along cherished and follows Gandhian values. Let me add that this honor has come to me not solely because of my efforts, but also because of the collective efforts and endeavors of all those who have helped me in taking my mission forward, including my trustees, staff, and volunteers of HELP Foundation as well. Having faith in Allah and being a firm believer in destiny, I stepped out along with a few friends, and thus HELP, Human Effort for Love and Peace Foundation, was born in 1997. I thought to myself that this is the only way to give food to one's soul. I took strength from Gandhiji's words of wisdom. To give pleasure to a single heart by a single act is better than 1,000 heads bowing in prayer. Before I close, I should like to express my deepest gratitude to the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation and every functionary connected with it for having reposed their trust in me. I do hope that I shall uphold the trust reposed in me by the selectors, and I shall find the energy to take my mission forward with greater zeal. May God bless all of us. Thank you.
Srimati Nigat Shafi, we salute you for your humanitarian deeds. Congratulations. Professor Glenn Page, recipient of the International Award, unfortunately is unable to be with us this evening due to health constraint and has conveyed his sincere regret. I invite Shri Madhur Bajaj, trustee of the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, to kindly read the citation in honor of Professor Glenn Page.
Professor Glenn Page is the founder and chairman of the Center for Global Non-Killing and Professor Emeritus of Political Science, University of Hawaii. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's multifold contributions, Professor Page's life journey has brought him from war to work for a killing-free world. In 2002, following 28 years of research and teaching, Professor Page published Non-Killing Global Political Science in 24 languages, and Gandhi Media Center was the first publisher in the world to release the book in India. The Center for Global Non-Killing engages 600 scholars in 300 universities in 73 countries in 19 non-killing research committees. Non-killing knowledge is beginning to be introduced in schools and university-level curriculum. The Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation feels honored to present this citation and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for the outstanding contribution in the field of promoting Gandhian values outside India to Professor Glenn Page.
Thank you, Madhur. May I once again invite our respected Chief Guest, Dr. Justice Dharmadhikari ji, to please present the citation, the trophy and the cash prize to Dr. Subba Rao, who will receive the award on behalf of Professor Page. Dr. Subba Rao is also very closely associated with Professor Glenn Page and his work. It is my privilege to now invite our respected Chief Guest, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Justice Chandrasekhar Dharmadhikari ji, Chairman of the Council of Advisors of the Foundation, to enlighten the distinguished gathering today with his keynote address.
पुण्यश्लोक जमनालाल जी बजाज के नाम से ये पुरस्कार दिए जाते हैं। सही अर्थ में ये पुरस्कार नहीं बल्कि कृतज्ञता से किए हुए नमस्कार है। और उसी भावना से मैं जिन महानुभावों को पुरस्कार दिए गए उनका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। आप जिन्हें पुरस्कार प्रदान किए गए उनके बारे में इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, इन हाथों को तस्लीम करो, ये दुनिया को चलाने वाले हैं। इन हाथों को तस्लीम करो, दुनिया का फसाना इनसे है, इंसानों की कहानी इनसे है। और यही सभी ऐसे समाज सेवक हैं जिनके बाबत ये कहा जा सकता है कि किसी को न पता चला इनके कद का अंदाज़ा, जो आसमान है मगर सिर झुका के चलती हैं। इन जिन व्यक्तियों को हमने पुरस्कारित किया उनके जीवन के आदर्शों को आप अगर समझ लेंगे तो मैं इतना ही चाहूँगा कि इन व्यक्तियों से का जब हम अभिनंदन कर रहे तब कम से कम इतना तो संकल्प करें कि आपको मेरे जीवन का जो लोटा होगा वो इस टाके में शुद्ध दूध का गिरेगा। ऐसा संकल्प करने की सद्बुद्धि भगवान आपको मुझे दे, ऐसे धर्माधिकारी के नाते भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। आप सबको नमस्कार करता हूँ।
On behalf of Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, a heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Guest, Justice Dharmadhikari ji, esteemed awardees, the trustees, Council of Advisors and selection panels of these awards, the media, hall management, and all of you for appreciating, honoring, and applauding the good work being done and keeping the flavor, fragrance, and spirit of our event alive and kicking. Thank you.
My message has been to work for peace and to love what you do and do what you love. If you don't like your work, don't do it. But if you jump into anything and you want to do something for the society, try to do the best for them and try to love the work that you do.
And these are basically Gandhian people who are not known. Most of them are just not known outside their circles, unlike a businessman who is known because of TV and media and all that. So this is the reason for the awards, to recognize them, to honor them, and they don't need this, but because you honor them, there are others who will be motivated to do such work, which I'm happy to say in India, due to our tradition of the country, it is being done.
By trying to continue with these awards, we would like to continue it endlessly for the next 35, 40, 50 years, forever, so that we can get more and more people into the limelight. And we are very thankful to the media like yours who are appreciating and understanding what we are trying to do. And so you will also continue, I hope, to encourage this thought, and we will also support this thought of seeing how we can make thousands and lakhs of people to be inspired by these great souls we call the awardees.